Oberempong CP atranse or sanitize baby and then Nsem get on mobile phone. Ne purpose just a bibia. Now when do the purpose the enkanka ho sa. This is Bomadin sa obeko Adom 106.3 FM. Your Facebook wall na wonso dwumadie wa hwebie wo asembise bia o this story be ya na ubusa na me busa na so man responsibly sanete Oberempong CP atrase papa akwaba
ya son
na ya son no kra no awia na sa anajo
ebre bia ye gi ya son
o sa
de hye nyi so no
ese o tena krase chepa
enya krase nim die na
because chebi o ha obi chia sa tim sa accident o tena krase chepa
emeba wa na o ha na o chia na me gisu ya son a o hwe o sa na atwam o se wa nwua no
onim de oka asemu
ya son na ho ye de
nyame nim no kra no hwa me ho ye pa se de o hwe se de ma ho ofeyesi ya
na me de ko de
so sika bia fa binsem unza
wo de ne ye medium me de ne extra large ahofe no
responsibly yankopon na hwe na adom hire nso agu so
ya so na ayi na no me de mboni achemu
no kre
me ni producers nyam de mboni achemu de mu ye me no me de ache ko na ye tiefo no ahwefo no no mu di mu ho yaw
me say ye wie ye pa course e ba ye wo mo request say o mu hia video no ne ade no
o mapa ma chewa ntimi de achemu
anodin obende
me de achemu na OPA
CPA
Nsem Sisi Nsem Sisi
no kre
jemso se Nsem Sisi o si Nsem okura imu
Adom FM
wala Nsem Sisi
Nsem okura imu
Nsem Sisi
Nsem okura imu
na Nsem asi ne Nsem asi
e de na asie
hey go Facebook before I wrote the ball meet me on Facebook Adom 106.3 FM now for neighborhood there come and examine things by your own self according to your eyeball definition
examine pa
because obia ne eyeball definition of an issue
no correct
said obi hu asem no esuno said obi hu na de it come and witness it spectating the news
brofo de minim say what be
spectating the news by yourself
responsibly
exactly OP my share Facebook awie yi wo be di kan ba so no mabodin Nana Adams I say great Oberempong CP I just love this man too much my favorite way saying him 101 and we can meet one day
Adom FM
who is calling me stop calling now okay yanko now when I came in contact with this story I was put aback in a state of perplexion
in
extent that it is not an ordinary story
no correct
that protrude humanity and the orientation of realism. However, after strong investigation and interrogation, it came to light that it was a perplexable realism. What am I saying too much here, bro?
Korea kanka brofu nyina kan fa pa na ka UK ni UK any America kan fa na ka be
Azerbaijan is my destined place. Azerbaijan me visa din akọ Azerbaijan
ta
Azerbaijan die mekọ ho pa Azerbaijan
Baradia ko wanim
ankofo America me mpe Canada me mpe Europe babia me mpe my prize Azerbaijan I'm not getting
na say say na ni mark 2 na most person mo kwa America dey
oh one na me hwehwe ama no
afi di Azerbaijan
yes na India and yakwakodu India na a very awesome situation has emanated and the source of the story can tell without any fear of contradiction with vividity.
Said your work can patch up. Men and Nabi Wadam soon pursue be muti pa. As I know, or brought for this a movie do. Mean to me, encyclopedia English visa or cancano. I know she.
And so, with the vividity of the story, no, it came to light to say.
There's a mechanic cry, myself,
The whole catchment of the Indian land, the geographical setting, was moved by the astonishment of this story, including the president of the land. He was greatly astute to hear. Abayabi.
Jim FM.
Abayabi no awo ye. Nyamia ye na dom wa wo. Owo ye nso odia benduro. India benduro emanufu ahyehye.
Responsibly na kwala na no matumi anu
Oh jai. Abedo chese nufusu a etese light soup. Prekese wom. Jenne wom. Garlic wom. Amani wom. Nufo na ye light soup. Nti onno mo atim se wafono hyehye.
Responsibly.
Now, what we are now, or manufacture that artificial breast milk, no, coupled with ingredients for soup.
Artificial breast milk.
Oh yes. You see, the natural breast milk is what we have as men.
Also, Ubi can say, this your English, dear.
It is so what?
A horn of this year.
Okay.
Tina what was
so? Abaya yawo. I'm Rafi. If you want to see,
no crack.
Abaya yawo.
I can't win.
Matthew. Oh yeah. Anna. Ode ko Facebook video ni da ho.
Edaho.
Sister yawo ne ba kete.
Na ponche so ogi.
Ah, wa breastfeeding ne ba.
Da ponche so ogina we bi.
Na onenam na what announcement wo radio bi a wo China. India kasa nso no. For a jiffy of those who in the India to understand the story no. There's a certain radio station in India, friend say Indiaku Radioya. Indiaku Radioya. That is a India radio. Indiaku Radioya. And present an so
Mr. Kapel Gupta.
And or started say or breaking news bio.
That is your Indian name, Amediama.
Mr. What?
Kapel Gupta.
Kapel Gupta.
That's right.
Guptash. And to a year no started here. Ak punching kamadati die. That all be weak. Adam no for big life.
Mama do they call Adom 106.3 FM Facebook wall. Na dia hwe e da ho din say bagatum.
Oh, ntini na say poche. The matak they work. Up and for they survive. Just aponche ma me wu penufu no survive. And as sister eti ye no okochi aponche ane ma me wi. Ye say adana ne ma me wu na ne ma me no. Aponche ne ma me no. Onya malaria. On the ambulance mu. What me buy you mo hwe mba ma me. Ma anya we. Ana aponche ne ma me wi. Eti ma me ya ne ya so ba tia ne ba wu. Ene obi e ma me wu agya no. And okochi aponche ba ne ya wo no nge no. A day born goat. We call it a day baby boy. And what dey no kofie. Eti ono ne ba na wa wo no.
Day born goat.
A day baby boy. And what dey kofie na. O ma ne ba nufu a. No de odwan no aponche no. Enso tua ne nufu ba ko ano. Ti so we Facebook one mo a. Eda ho na ne ba no num nufu nifa no, nipa no.
No kre.
E na aponche ba no nso ogina ho. E na wo num nufu bonkum no. Na hwe aponche ni se wo si num nufu no a. Bi se nipa honhom wa aponche ni mu. Wo fire didiem akọ romance mu. Se wo si agina sugar ne na ba kwakwa akire na watwe ne kon no. Orgasm aba aponche ni mu.
En watwe nufu no. Ne hu ye ne se
na nipa wo ma aponche nufu de ba ne san ne ma me didi nkomo en wo se an. Eya na ye se nipa ye dododo ye ho. Na me yo ba tan se me ba wu a ana me wuja me ba keto yi a. Enka me se obi behwe me ba ma me. Eti na aponche ne ma me wu no. Enu owu ya no. Ese me kote akwala yi. Aponche akwala nam tete no. Na me hwe no asabre wo ma ne nufu nom kama so da no pa na otwitwiri ne se. Otwitwiri ne se wi a. Na fe wa brashi no kama wa bɔ ne pada. No watam na to ne naso no ma aponche ba ne nufu. Ene anya grokra. Ate sabre ko Facebook live a. a goat sucking breast like anything you can describe. I just say, go to nutrition, Musa, it is about rich level of orgasmation. I'm at a no more concampa, and we'll go to them. My mini Pia Buano Cross say, and you what did you just what did was Mamma did you me pedi? Mamma did you me bedi? I just say, one new for sa. Now, OPDA and Nsem Sisi. Nsem Sisi. Now, this woman, Wakoto Nikunu.
Hey.
Mami yakoto nukunu.
Adom FM.
Uhuru Kenyatta. Nikromi ya Kenya. Kenya na semwe siye. A Kenyan woman recently made international news headlines after allegedly selling his husband to the woman he was stealing with $17,000.
What on say $10,000?
Well, not my boy. I see me move.
Adom FM.
Mom, you see my
moving so man. Why?
see me.
Let's say you walk up, bro. For idiot.
Enti aya no. Ana mami obi ni kunu twempna. Ena wokoto wo mu. En wosuma kambia nya de se wotie. Na yase ni dinie Edna Mokpana. And you see, what you couldn't champ rough, indiscriminate, haphazard discrimination of sex everywhere. What can be a want it? And was ye, Mammy and me could champ, me told me, me told me, said Anton about Nibia, Mamma, who saw you useless.
Adom FM.
Me told kitty, the adjectives.
And Nsem
Sisi. And was in 2 badges and also I'm $17 pay. Me money yet 20.
$17.
Me money yet 20 when I round figure. Now that's me dear Canon was up I'm ton 17. I watch $17. I told you could not catch a sister and say, oh, then champna, mean penny bio. Oh, then about cramming. Bema yes, so when you know who was such an adrian to Obafia was in 17. Meaning,
Ghana has to go for your better.
Me be a quarter to Noma and Quine Noma ye did Adriana Yamaya pan to cop. My son contract $17.
Just 17.
And so I'm renew no $15.
That's all.
And just say,
what reduce to
ordinary list. What torn what did you know? Then I saw me buying your business say. At the end of the how can you deliberately and focusedly, consciously go and market your husband for an only $17? And the woman say yes. It is a state of mental osmosis where there is a flow of pain emanating of bitterness leading to $17, a cheap seller.
I know.
So he has chipping her husband at $17 and what on Agyei. OPA.
CPA.
And I know na Yesu Christo kwa so dem ho sanctuary honom. And will be Isaiah woman and go say when yame honhom wa me so. Esan se wasra me ngo. Sami imagine ko fo mu omubuayem oseyem amanem tontodie ensawe adwamamo krono bo wi nom ensawe bra ba ne nya de. And was sorry and wakoye. Na mami dia wa yesofo ba waso nyame honhom wana kosio kumam. Na wasra kosio kumane ngo se woni mema na wontu omu yade afiro mu. Hallelujah. Oh.
Amen.
What did I say? God has given me an anointed meboni drain vagina.
Okay.
Meboni drain. And if you sleep with me, you will be cured of your infertility. Yes, wow. What a nice story.
Because we know the air.
Make us imagine we say ko.
Woko.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, ko.
I say.
Yeah, ko say infertility.
Sketch na woko na say.
Also for pania wano Pastor Mrs. Veronica. Asori Odanu no ye founder of Life of Faith and Prosperity Ministry. Ewa Delta State Nigeria Asaba. Enwo dia tudo a wochem chese. Sebie bru sebie nyado akosua kuma no tokuro bonhua no tokura dokuro mu no adukuro mu nsuo konna konno no wose wonyame de ho sra awsem sa no obo no se woni mema ne da na bema bia woni ne beda no se bia buru ne ho nsuo kan bema no ho pe infertility se wa busuam se ya chronic se ya acute se ya toma wo se ya bone disease se ya etre disease se ya spiritual disease, it will just vaporize and it will evacuate.
Nsem Sisi.
No can you see, hey, uko Facebooka. Osofu ya kana semne oda ho kwawebi. Bra Facebook says here another sofu ba no ho fe.
Adom 106.3 FM Facebook wall.
Ne ho fe. Sofu ba fe bi ko Facebook na kwawe pictures. Ate se nya gro. En wo chechim chese ono de nyame de suma na asase su ado no. And I quote, my mission on earth is to cure men of their infertility problem through sleeping with them. Each session must not last more than 2 minutes. It will need not more than 2 minutes.
Oberempong.
Yeah.
We are at Tosumino.
Oh.
There be we at Tosumino. The woman say.
Oh, mammy was one slow. Mammy was one ferry.
There be ma one.
Oh.
Ma. Busia.
What one ma okana so them?
Inti we dear Iowa
suonyi.
Untimi enyi.
Iowa suonyi won. We so suonyi. For the sake of my viewers, I will control my temperament.
Control your
but after the program, I will explode my temperament.
What stories in a punch?
What has here?
Nanso no. Yeah, www.adomonline.com nko Onya adomonline.com eda ho munko hwe no. Eda ho. Na munko nko hwe. Na obi anhu mamin. Usia no na se bia se okopie na aso dem a. Dwane. Sanso ni mema deda. Se oni ne da. Na wunya uwa infertility atotwa. OPDA. Maame ne kan asem ne ye pe. Oh, asori pani na sha se eda. Eno odimiri ka woro no ho. I run the trouser, run the suit agu. Aka ne boxer no dwa boxer na to agu. Dimiri ka ko to ase maame no so. Ewo ayi altar no so. Abra wo preachi. Wow.
Ho no se eniam no beda. Oto so pa. Within 2 minutes we bu atopa 64.
Ayo wa on timi mo modern fa bibi nkata ayinim na because we just say wa wet me appetite.
And just so pani no within 2 minutes no. So asime ni nya sex more than 2 minutes. Et within 2 minutes no. Asori pani no pa 64 rounds.
Wow.
No we yes and suffocate one in the kwaba da bia no. Suffer no so cry enfeta. And no so score no say mama. And na de oya me ge. And no so wura no pa. It says.
There's woman in a target.
I'm not a target. If I'm line from a chiro.
Hey.
And I'm a man. Says I saw them one.
As a consultation room.
Oh, as a communion near Beja. As if I treat to a demo bruta. To remember Nina. Is it come where? I saw no for church pass take it in air qua. Mention your team yen air cotna. Yes, you are question. A flight in your befa praying a room. But your bomode. Oh, I didn't say.
Or say or the picture to a year Adom 106.3 FM. Your video on the was a video on the Yamian Kumon fine chair only but or the picture no then ato a year Adom 106.3 FM. Your Facebook wall. But you are more than some best subscribing na more
sure.
See a trans say near the Jumedia say no anymore a dear. Na etimia bon kaya na watimi aye den ahwe ne kama.
Enti desie no. Ama me no. Ono ya na so se munimi na boma omni na da hojo no
ama afedi ene want to spare
ama hojo no masabre wona mu a o chen obi a chese ye de na ko butchery akodwa no wa honko ni sire mu an wo
ko Facebook picture na da osisi a na ehwe se de sofo bayi esi etie enye ize
enti op
CPA
ye de besi o say
another opio
OP and edi eti mama no da so no look at how you are whetting my appetite bedmatic wettings
fun mama me die na mhwe
efe ni efe papa
oh such a nice beautiful
woman
wow
they don't look too much anyasa
o si asore no he
Nigeria see e beko we dey phone cry yam fanko. So akodi dey say nyebre. Ya be fa phone cry be ko.
Wa o si kan see e be ko ro kwa na che say.
Mba ne skin na fe pa.
Ayo say we hwe ni mo be ko.
Onko ye be fa phone. Wa che cry ye fa phone ko di. Na ade we.
Me na metimi fa play ko di tinze to temane.
Emo.
Na be saba.
Enti yakọ na nyambo ọchena esem ni biem wo ho
responsibly
I do sem beba eti mom di message ba ni nyina yan kam yenu on yan kam yenu na men ko ayi Clement kwabena Arab chese Oberempong you are very bad pa I'm not bad I'm telling you I deal with you be happy and when ponie onu say if you not show it here on be kwa kwa ma de on say be kwa hwe and was it you are too much afraid from the dominancy last one it say Oberempong what is temperament bosomia eye temperament means bosomia eye tempera that is bosom no enye permanent eba na jai etu oba bi bu ninsa bosome na se ninsa boni ntoto so onya temperamental menstruation
papa ogina wachi
we this empedem ti
apa sorry gina ho na one ne gina ho na hade
nkomo we die
o panka nkomo da di o panka me pa cho bra oni Oberempong gina ho straight na afedi Oberempong atna form what say me saka dadi o panka wuntia wo betie tie